And the market hit new records today as the S&P intraday hit 42.49, the high that we saw, or almost saw back early May, as investors shrugged off the very hot inflation data that we got early this morning. The Dow ended up slightly, the NASDAQ up about 1%, a little less than 1%, even with bond yields rising. Early this morning, we saw consumer prices for May rose at their fastest pace since the summer of 2008. CPI, Consumer Price Index, includes food, energy, groceries, and other goods, and they rose 5% from a year ago. We also got jobless claims number, which came in at a low, basically, during the pandemic. The numbers continue to move downward. All eyes are going to be on the Fed for next week. Yesterday, ES option data, 348,000 options traded, and not as heavy on the put side as we have seen recently. Yesterday, only 65% of all options traded were puts. The volume leader was the end of week 2, June 3250 put. 3520 put, 7,500 of those traded. Volatility has really come down quite a bit. ES options pricing in a move to the end of the day tomorrow in the S&P of about $18 and going out to next Friday, $55. Vol Q is down 8% today and trading at its lowest point in a year. Bitcoin, we've seen a huge rally actually to the upside. However, major resistance at that 38,000 level where it hit. New technical support should be around the 36,000 level. Contract volume here at the CME today, kind of light. 6,000 Bitcoin future contracts, 20,000 micro Bitcoin future contracts. Talking about micro contracts, another new launch here at the CME. Micro Treasury Yield Futures. Starting August 16th, pending regulatory approval, we're going to get micros on the 5-year, the 10-year, and 30-year futures sized up at $10 per basis point, and they will be cash settled.